Hi guys, we are about to start Unit 5, Expressions and Equations. We're going to work with our journal pages to do this. So we're going to understand the meanings of variable, expression, and term. We're going to evaluate algebraic expressions for given values of the variables. And we're going to work through these pages. So we will need to turn to page 165. So here on page 165, you'll see the vocabulary, variable, expression, and term. Go ahead and read the yellow vocabulary words to learn about these vocab words, just like you do in your science book. A variable is a letter or symbol used to represent a number. In Unit 2, you worked with variables in area formulas. For example, in the formula for the area of a triangle, A equals 1/2 B times H, or base times height. The letters A, B, and H are variables. It says write another formula that includes variables. So you can just make one up here and fill it in. An expression is made up of one or more numbers, one or more variables, or both numbers and variables. An expression also often includes one or more operations. So that means adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying, but does not include an equal sign. So this is important. Does not include an equal sign. Here are some examples. 4n x minus 9, 3z, which would mean multiply, b plus 2 minus a, 1/2 b times h. Circle the expressions. P divided by 7, 13, z equals 6 minus x times y, t, 7 plus 4 equals 11, is 5/10 times the answer to k plus s. Write an expression that includes at least one number, one variable, and at least one operation. Terms. Terms are parts of an expression that are added or subtracted. Some examples of terms are shown below. Here's a term. So these are the parts of an expression that are added or subtracted. So just adding or subtracting parts. Y plus 9. Y is a term, 9 is a term. So there are two terms in this expression. G minus 2 times G. We have another term here, and 2 times G is considered one term together, being subtracted from G. It's like a combination. 3/4 of A plus B minus 1. Here we have one term, another, and another. So it's almost like the terms are what's in between your adding or subtracting symbols. Write an expression that consists of two terms that are numbers. Write an expression that consists of three terms.